Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. It seems to be an easy one, honestly. Let's see how easy it actually is. Okay, so let's begin with removing the comments. I'll first go with star and I'll give the background, which will be this color. Then I'll give position fixed. Now I'll make a div or whatever it is called. So A will be this one, AB is this one. Then I'll make three more, which will be as follows: A, C, A, C, D, and A, C, E. So here goes A. Let's switch on the difference and I'll change the color to this one. Paste. Now I'll first use margin. So margin 100, which I know is obviously far more than required. 20, 30, 40, 50. It would be 52. The thing is, whenever we are using divs, there is always like a difference of 2, 3, not much more than that. 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so I can simply do this. Now I'll increase the width. I'll take it around 250. Still more, 270, 280. And height will be, I think, 50. No, it would be 40. Good. Now the next one is B. So B, and it will only have a difference of margin, which will be 102, 150, 60, 70, 80, 90, 192. Okay, now next one is C. So first of all, we'll do this rotate 45, or let's just keep it simple, width, and the width will be 40, because I think they have the same width in that sense. And the height will be, I'd say, 100. Yeah. Now let's use the margin. Okay, so we need to decrease this a little. 80, 90, 92, and 90. It's again 92. Okay, good. Now it's turn for D, and D will only have a different margin, which should be 92 and 100 or something like that. 150, 40. Okay, we have to increase 70, 170. Last one, E, and E will have a margin, like the difference of margin between both of them is 80. So 92 and 172 plus 80 will give us 252. Let's submit it. Seems to be 100%, but let's see. Yeah, it is 100%. So I can remove this. Also, I wanted to see one thing. What if I do this thing? it remains the same. No, it doesn't. Z. Yeah, now it's good. This. Oh wait, we could have done one more thing, which would have made it even smaller. I'm talking about the code, which was simply box shadow. So what I'll do is I'll remove this, or wait, let me submit it once so that I have the code saved. So now score is 653. So I remove this. Now I'll give it color first. So color will be obviously this one, and box shadow 64Q0 104Q0 14 34 almost there 85 6 85.5 2 3 4 5 6 7 this doesn't make sense 80 Q, or maybe I can simply do this 80 pixel. Next one will have a difference of 160 pixel and 0. So I can remove this. It will obviously have a higher score now, because what I thought did work. So now the score is 659.48. Is there something else we can change? Doesn't seem to be. Just one more minor difference, not much. Okay, we can do one more thing. We just so what we can do is add a box shadow here also we can take the color from here because it's now going to be in each of them, so I can put it here. So the box shadow now will be 0 and 64Q. I know it will be more. 104, 14, 23. Or I can simply give it value in pixels. Yeah, so now I can also remove this. So the code is even smaller and we would obviously have a higher score now. 662.96. Okay, so not going any further from this. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.